My name is Faisal, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can download VS Code for your computer. We're just gonna search on Google VS Code. Here is the first website. It's a Microsoft product. You can download it for Windows. It's just gonna start downloading. It has it has been downloaded now. You can look at VS Code. You can almost build anything with this. I mean, it supports all programming languages like Java, Python, and anything. You can say create a desktop icon and say next and install. It's just gonna install it. Just wait few seconds. It's just installing. It has been installed now. You can look at this VS Code. You can create a new file, like if I create a new file like here in desktop, I can create a new file like first.java, and I can create a Java file using this. You can also create a Python like first.py, and it will just create a Python file. Thank you for watching.